Sit. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Rico, what are you doing? Hey everyone, this is gonna be a random video, but I figured I'd do it. So in the middle of the night, I decided I need to, I found out the dogs needed dog food, so I went. You guys can see right in the back that I had. He's looking at it right now, but I had to get some more Blue Mountain chicken and brown rice, 30-pound bag. So I decided to go in the middle of the night where my dog wouldn't eat. And while I was there, like most shoppers, I got more than I was supposed to get. So while I was there, I remembered, this last week I had camera issues, and this past month I've had camera issues. I have Wi-Fi cameras so I can see the dogs when I'm at home. And this one I got from Walmart is this piece of crap. It just never works. I should have known it was 20 to 30 bucks. But I was surprised PetSmart sold tech, and they had a camera that looked really good. I looked up reviews, I looked at the company really quick, and I just decided, hey, what the heck, I'll do it. So, without further ado, I'm going to show you some of the things I got, but I know anybody that's clicking this video, you were really looking for a review on that camera. So I've never used it, don't know anything about it, figured I'd give it a shot. So I'm going to unbox it on this video, plug it up, show you how it works. All right. So there you guys have it. There's my unboxing and setup video of the WYZE Cam Pam 1080p Wi-Fi camera. It's $39.99 at PetSmart. I'm sure you can get it at other places, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please comment if you have any questions or you have any opinion on my review. I'm trying to get better. This is more, I guess, of an unboxing setup video, but I hope this was informative and helped somebody. But I think this is going to be a good camera. If you guys have any questions or if you guys like to subscribe, please do comment below.